Welcome back, everyone, and get ready to fall in love with a legend reborn, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece that blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge innovation. From the very first glance, you'll notice how this modern marvel pays tribute to its iconic roots while pushing boundaries like never before. The exterior is pure art in motion. Smooth flowing lines wrap around a sculpted body that's both aerodynamic and unmistakably retro. LED headlights inspired by classic designs light up the road ahead, while the wide stance and chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. Choose between stunning 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, each crafted to elevate its presence on every street. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that marries nostalgia with modern tech. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. A digital instrument cluster and a floating 10.2-inch touchscreen brings seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Vintage toggle switches, circular vents, and a classic analog clock keep the charm alive, while heated and ventilated seats offer modern-day comfort. Now let's talk performance. The Karmann Ghia offers a thrilling lineup: a 2.0-liter Turbo 4 with 250 horsepower, a hybrid 3.0-liter V6 delivering 375 horsepower, or an all-electric variant with 300 miles of range and instant torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4.5 seconds for the hybrid. Yes, please. Paired with a smooth dual-clutch transmission and available all-wheel drive, this car doesn't just look fast, it is fast. With pricing starting at $40,000 and top-tier models around $65,000, the Karmann Ghia offers something for every enthusiast. Whether you're chasing heritage, performance, or pure style, this car delivers it all. So would you take the new Karmann Ghia for a spin? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive reveals. Stay tuned. The future looks stylish.